What's up, nail crew? Who wants to learn how to do chromed builder gels? When I saw that you can do this from my friend Christina, I was so excited. She showed me how to do chromed builder gel nails, and now I am obsessed. The first thing I did was I fully did my builder gel nails, fully cured them, wiped off the tacky layer, filed and shaped them to the shape that I wanted. So then after I finish filing and shaping my builder gel nails, I wipe off all the dust with isopropyl alcohol. And then here comes the fun. You take gel base, you apply it over your entire nail and fully cure that for 30 seconds. Then you take gel top, apply it over your entire nails like I'm doing now, and you flash cure that for only 10 seconds. I did 2 different chromes, one on each hand, just to kind of, spice it up. And you take a little eyeshadow brush, dip it into the chrome, and you start rubbing it into your flash cure top coat. And look at how beautiful that is. This is Sapphire Twinkly Light, and look at that beautiful chrome over your builder gel. So you finish rubbing it into all your nails over your flash cure gel top coat, and then apply a layer of gel base over all of your nails that have the chrome on it. Fully cure that for 30 seconds, and then take a layer of gel top coat, apply that over all your nails, and fully cure that for 60 seconds. I have to show you guys the other hand of how different chromes can look on just builder gel. This next one is Briar Rose, also from OG Dip Powder. Look at the difference from this chrome to the other chrome. It is amazing how cool chrome can look over just clear builder gel. And this is also really helpful if you're someone who's struggling with your peel base to see where to pop it off when you're wearing just builder gel under your dip manis or your gel manis. You have your chrome on there. You can see exactly where you need to pop off your nails. And look at this beautiful Briar Rose. Like, I was obsessed with Briar Rose. I kind of wished I had done it on all of my nails. These unicorn chromes look amazing over builder gel and really any color. If you'd like to learn more about chroming over your dip powder manis, click this next video. Thanks, nail crew.